So we're here at Shoe Healer in Doncaster, and we've had a lovely chap come in with his family, Andrew from Portsmouth, and he's brought us these beautiful shoes in for repair. They're a pair of Barkers, and he said, are they ready? They're definitely ready. We asked him if he'd walked here from Portsmouth. I think he came on a Sunday and went home and then came back again, because they've had some proper wear and tear, these Barkers, but we've checked them over, we've looked at the uppers, and we've checked all the welt. They've never had a repair, and they're just ready for sorting out. A new Dainite sole unit, Dainite heel, a new leather heel stack. They want some back liners in, because the back liners have gone through and the stiffeners have all gone through, so there's no substance there in the counter, this area here in the shoe. It really wants putting back together, but it can be done. He loves the shoes and we can do it for him. We can put these back together, make them lovely. Now what we will do, and you hear us talk about midsoles quite a bit, underneath this Dainite sole unit here is a microfoam rubber midsole. We're going to replace that with a leather midsole, and that's going to make the shoe feel so much nicer to walk in, because it's going to pull the shoe straight again. It's going to be able to get some polish into all these cracks and keep this shoe really, really nice. It's going to make a great shoe, it really is. That midsole will help to beef it up, and we'll do you some pictures through the process and then when the shoe's done. Right, here we go on these Barkers. Oh, what a nice job. Let's have a look. Off with the heel. So these are heel lifts, make up the heel stack, and they're quite loose, so I'll take them off this way. So remember all these heel lifts on your Loke 1880s, compressed cardboard, on these beautiful Barkers, all leather. Look at that, nicely made. Right, so these are the nails that hold the heel stack on. We've got to take those off from the inside, so we'll take that out of there. I get my piece of soft microfoam in there, and then tap them back. Any that won't tap back will flatten down and break off. That's all those down there. Take that out and have a look. See how they've come up there. That's it. Two left to get there. This tool here. Lift that up there. Beautiful, and then to the scour here. Just taking the tops of the stitches off. Beautiful. Look at that. Look. What's the new shank in there? New willow shank. And then we start the job of removing all the stitching. Fantastic. Okay. Just turn that radio off, would you? So we're taking off all the old cork out of here. We can do it with a bit of heat, or we can do it with some comes off stripper. So this is the insole, the beautiful leather insole. The shank here was broken, so they'll get a new shank in there. And then this is the rib, this rib here, where you can see the welt stitching right in there. I hope I'm getting this on camera, in there. And then on top, this is your welt stitching on top there. So, a note to all repairers, do not be tempted to run this welt around your scouring machine. Round there like that. Do not do it, because you will catch that stitching. Just make sure that this welt is all clean and just bond it straight down. Absolutely fine, there'll be no worries. Obviously there's some more stitches to come out of here. I'm just having a break from all that fun of getting the stitches out, and yeah, that is still a good shoe. Lovely uppers. The back's absolutely trashed, but we will put some new stiff leather back liners in there, stitch them in. All the leather on the outside is good, and that will be a nice job. Right, we'll get on with the other one.